Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. And also I'm going to show you how you can make free bridge pages. But these bridge pages are a bit different because you can use them to promote multiple different products from multiple different affiliate networks. And don't worry, I'm going to show you everything step by step. And also I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to get free traffic to that bridge page. So make sure to watch this video very carefully because we are just starting. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to find products to promote. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Digistore24 and ClickBank. And let's just say that I'm in keto niche. So what I need to do, I need to click here on fitness and health. And here you can see there is lots of keto related products that you can promote. And you can also find them on second page as well. And also I need to go back here on ClickBank, and here in search bar, I will just type keto, okay? Keto, and press enter again, and I'm actually going to sort this by gravity, high to low, okay? And here you can find lots of keto related products that you can promote. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go back here on Digistore24, and here I can get my Digistore24 affiliate link, and this is my affiliate link. Next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a bridge page. But like I said, these bridge pages are a bit different, and we are going to use Google Sites. Stay with me, you will see why these bridge pages in Google Sites are a bit different. So I will go on Google Site, and this is a blank page. So here for the title, I can say something like, for example, keto for beginners. Okay, keto for beginners, and I'm actually going to make this to be bold. Okay, just like this. And also I need to add an image in the background to make this bridge page more interesting. So simply click here on change image, and then click here select image, okay? Click here on search, and I'm going to search keto, okay? Press enter, and let's just say, for example, I will use this image here, okay? This image here, and then just click here on select. Give it a second, and as you can see, it added this image in the background. But next thing I need to do, pay close attention, this is really important part of the video. I actually need to click here, okay? And then I need to click here to add an image. Again, I need to click here, and again, just click here on select image, and then click here on Google Images. And here I need to type again, let's just say, for example, because we are promoting custom keto diet, as you can see here, so let's just close this. Here you can see I'm promoting custom keto diet. So here I am going to search, for example, custom keto diet. Okay, custom keto diet. And let's just say I will just find the best image to use. Let's just say, for example, this image here, okay? I will just use this one, click here on insert, and that's it. And now I actually need to write an article, but stay with me, it is a bit different. So now I need to go here on ChatGPT, and here I need to say ChatGPT to create me titles first, because titles are really important and I need catchy titles. So I already have prepared that, so I will simply type something like this, okay? Provide blog topic titles about custom keto diet, okay? Custom keto diet, press enter, and now ChatGPT will create 10 title ideas for me. Unfortunately, as you can see here, they are experiencing some problem, and that is why ChatGPT is currently a bit slow, so I apologize for that. So as you can see here, it is writing custom keto diet titles for me, and as you can see, these are all catchy titles, and that is exactly what I need. So let's just say, for example, I wish to use 5 benefits of custom keto diet. So I will simply copy this, Ctrl C, go back on Google Sites, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And actually I'm going to make this to be bold, okay? Just like this. And I will change the color to be blue. So I am going to click here on blue, and now it is blue. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go back here on ChatGPT, and I will simply paste my title here. So now I will actually ask ChatGPT to write me an article about this. So I will simply say, write me an article about 5 benefits of custom keto diet plan, and then press enter. And ChatGPT will write me an article, a unique article about 5 benefits of custom keto diet. As you can see here, it is writing this article. So for the purpose of this video, I will simply copy this first line here, okay? Just like this, Control C, and I will go back here, and then I'm going to click here, okay? And then I'm going to add 3 dots, and then here I will say click here to read full article, okay? And then what I'm going to do, what I actually need to do, I actually now need to click here on pages, okay? And then I need to click here on this plus, okay, to add a new page. And now I need to add a name to my page. So this is the name of my page. So I just go back here on ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this title here, okay? Control C, go back here, and I'm going to add that here. Click here on done. And this is my page, okay? And now I actually need to write my article. So as you can see here, ChatGPT finished writing my article in the meantime, so I can simply highlight everything here, Control C to copy that, and then click here on this T, and this is my article. As you can see here, of course, you can format this better than I did, but for the purpose of this video, I will leave it as it is. And here I can add my call to action. So here I will say, get your custom keto diet plan, okay? And I'm going to actually make this to be bigger because this is my call to action. And let's just say, for example, 18, and I'm actually going to make this to be bold, okay? Bold. And now I need to go back on Digistore 24, and this is my affiliate link. Go back on Google Sites, click on this little chain, paste that here, click on apply, and that's it. This is my page. But next thing you need to do, pay close attention. This is what you need to do. You need to click here on home page, okay? And then here you need to highlight this where it says click here to read full article, and then click here on this little chain, and here as you can see they already offered me this page, and click here on apply. And let me just go back here, okay? And I'm actually going to click on these 3 dots and click here hide from navigation, okay? And now when I go back on my home page, okay, and I click here on home page, and now let me just click here just so you can see how this looks. This is a preview, and when I click here, okay, as you can see, it took me to my page. And you need to add 3, 4, 5, doesn't matter, pages. And let me show you, I already made this. This is how this looks. As you can see, I have 3 pages. And now when someone click here or here or here, it will take them to one of my pages where I write about 14-day keto diet meal plan, and also where I have my call to action where I promote one of my affiliate products. And this one here is actually for Digistore 24, this one here is for ClickBank, and this one here is for JVZoo. So I promote 3 different products from 3 different affiliate networks on one bridge page. And like I said, when I go back here on, let me just close this. When I go back here on homepage, you need to add at least 3 of these products, 3 of these articles that you will write in ChatGPT. As you saw, literally 5 minutes took me to finish just one article. Add at least 3. You should add 4, 5, 10 pages like this. As you can see, really easy. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to start driving traffic to your bridge page where you have different articles where you promote different affiliate products. Now for that, we are going to use Quora. So what you need to do, you need to go back here on Quora, and let's just say for this example, just keto, okay? Keto, and then click here, and then I'm going to click here on questions, so I get only questions. And here you can see, what is the keto diet? Is ketogenic diet good for weight loss? And here you can see there is lots and lots of questions. So what you need to do, you need to answer on all of these questions here. As you can see, there is lots of questions. And you're probably thinking, well, that takes lots of time and lots of work. Actually, it doesn't. So what you need to do, you need to click on this first question here, for example. And as you can see here, So let's just give it a second. For example, for some reason, my internet is slow. Here you can see 1,500 people is following this question. And that means this is a popular question. So what you need to do, you simply need to copy this, okay? And then just go back on ChatGPT. And then here, just say, write me an article about, and just paste that here and press enter. And now ChatGPT will actually write you an article about this question. What is the keto diet? Just give it a second. As you can see here, they are experiencing some problems because there is too many people using ChatGPT. But it will write article in next 5 minutes. And all you have to do is just copy this article that ChatGPT will write for you. Just go back on Quora, click here on answer, and then paste that here. And also you need to go back on your Google page and just copy the link to that Google page, go back on Quora and paste that link as a source of your information. As you can see, it automatically added clickable link on Quora because I didn't add any image in my article. When you see here, so let me just click here on preview. And this is how it looks. So when I click here, here you can see I didn't open my article with the image. If I did, then automatically here you would see image and clickable link, okay? And then just click here on post and that's it. Literally, you answered on this question in literally 5 minutes. That simple, that easy. After that, just go back here, open this question, and then open this question, and then open this question, and then just go back here and open all of these questions. Just copy the title of each of these questions, go back on ChatGPT, ask it to write you an article about these questions here, and simply copy and paste those answers here, and link back to your Google Bridge page, and you will start driving traffic. If you answer 20, 30, 50 questions, trust me guys, you will start getting at least 100 free visits to your Google site, and you will start making sales, you will start making money with affiliate marketing and ChatGPT totally free. You don't have to invest any money, and even if you're a beginner, as you can see, it is really easy, really simple, it is totally automated, you don't need any special skills. So this is how you make money with ChatGPT and affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.